Hello everyone, today we make the most famous German roll or German bread roll with all steps and how becomes successful from first time. All you need, you just follow my instruction and you will have really nice taste of bread. As you know, German people, they love bread and beer, and this one of the most delicious recipe you can make. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis, pastry champion of Africa, working cruise line as corporate pastry chef for many company, Royal Caribbean, RCL, NCCL, and Cunard UK. We make starter dough, 150 ml of water, 200 gram rye flour, 3 gram of yeast. Water must be 30-35 degree. Water we mix with dry yeast or instant yeast, and then we mix with the flour. The best way to mix, if you have a small bowl, to use a steak. It's really easy and help you to make very fast. When the dough really mix, you must keep it 24 hours. This is the most best way to do this bread. It will become sourdough. It will be very beautiful. And if you want to make it normal without any yeast, you must make 50 gram of warm water, 50 gram of rye flour. After 24 hours, you added 50 gram warm water, 50 gram rye flour. Third day, you make 50 gram of water and 50 gram of rye flour, and you have the same dough. But we make speed process. We added 3 gram of yeast, and we mix it. We keep it 24 hours. To be honest, I leave it 2 days in the fridge. So this dough, after 48 hours. Then you added 3 gram again, instant yeast, 150 warm water, 5 gram sugar, and 10 gram salt to the flour. We mix salt with the flour and mix water, sugar, and yeast. Then we mix all together to become a real dough. You can see you need the dough and feel. We take in the bowl all the flour to mix together. Then we continue knead the dough on the table, which give you more space and you can do your job. So now we mix all the dough with the flour. When the bowl is clean, of course, feel free if you have mixer or kitchen aid, it much be easy. But I would love to make by your hand to feel the dough and you know the consistency. You can see it's a crack, so it's need more kneading. So you need more, knead and knead and knead with your heart, with your power, until the dough becomes more shiny, fluffy, and elastic. Now almost 10 minutes of kneading the dough. You take out of all your negative energy and you have a really nice dough. We cover it and leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the dough already double, and then I dust some flour. If you don't have a scale, you can cut like cake. But if you have a scale, better than you make 80 gram each roll. You scale all and then you roll and keep aside just to rest. You cover plastic for 15-20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the dough is enough. Now we roll it last time and ready to proof. Now we keep to the prover, or you have oven, you just shut down, make it warm like 30 degrees, keep it for 1 hour, and that's it. Now we dust with the flour. Use sharp blade. And then in this time, so many people doesn't know to make it right crispy, you must need steam. So 15 minutes in 230 degree, I keep one empty pan just to be hot enough. And when I put the bread, I just put one hot boiling water, and then it gives steam for your bread. And you can see after 20 minutes, you have beautiful German rolls. Really tasty, have a lot of benefit. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please make subscribe if this first time. Make sure, leave the comment, tell us what you need to learn in pastry, bakery, ice cream, name it. Have a good day, all of you.